Ready, guys? Tangranimals, transformation! Camel! In under 5 seconds. Ready? Let's do it! 5, Russ, turn around. 4, no, you're upside down, my friend. 3, 2, this way, Kazoo. 1. Wow! Have you seen the crystal, guys? Is that normal?
Yeah, sure. It's a laughter crystal. The more we laugh, the more it glows. There are a lot of them around here.
Oh, let's do another challenge. Let's do a Tangram. Oh, kangaroo in 5 seconds.
Yes! Ready? Tangranimals, transformation, kangaroo, fast! Whoa, your laughter's really powerful, Toph.
Hey, I've got another one. Are you ready, buddy? Transformation into a bear! You only have 5 seconds, and you can't look at the model.
Okay. Get ready, Tangranimals, transformation, bear! Jovial and Kazoo, you're the head. Bow and Bow, you're the front legs. Toph, you do the rear end.
I know, Yogo. You should do the back legs.
Well,
Hey. Ah, my eyes.
your laugh is crazy, Toph.
True! It's even rowdier than my one!
Yeah, but it really hurts my eyes, though.
I see. I make you laugh. And I also hurt your eyes. Very well.
But, Toph, we really didn't mean it that way. It's not a biggie.
No, of course it's not a biggie. I forgot to tell you, but I've got an ear workout session to go to. So I need to leave now. See ya.
She's got an ear workout session at this time of day?
Come on, you can do it. You can laugh like everyone else. How hard can it be? Oh no, again! I know I can do this! Oh no, my laugh is just so bad.
Don't worry yourself, Geo. Toph knows this area really well.
Yeah, but still, she's been missing now for a really long time, don't you think? Toph! Toph!
If she's decided to run an errand, she's probably already a long way off. But she'll come back soon. Don't worry.
Yes, but she said she was going for an ear workout session, not to run an errand.
I love doing ear workouts. It's really fun. Oh, wait a minute. I don't have ears.
There!
Where's Geo going? Maybe he spotted Toph.
Toph!
Check this out. This must mean Toph is really close by.
How about we make a Tangram helicopter? We'll spot her better from high up.
Yes, I thought of that, but the Tangram won't be complete without Toph. It'll never work.
You don't have to worry, Geo. Toph is a champion, even at night. Are you scared she might have a boo-boo?
No, well, a heart boo-boo maybe. Listen up!
Huh?
A laugh that's so powerful.
That it can make a crystal shine from miles away. Can only belong to...
Toph! Ah, if it's brighter, we must be getting closer. This way. Huh. Less bright means we've gotten further away. So this way.
Ha, ha, ha.
Hiya, Toffee.
I hope we're not disturbing you during your workout. We were wondering if you might like to take a little break.
Actually, I just wanted to practice laughing less ugly.
Laughing less ugly?
Yeah, I've got a really weird laugh, which is why I get made fun of. So I guess I'm useless. Not making fun. I've been trying lots of laughs. Oh, I tried Jovial's one. And Kazu's one. I even tried Russ's.
Sounds like you've gotten your trunk in a twist. Does it hurt?
Yeah, those laughs don't sound like you at all, Toph.
Geo's right. Your laughs are always really smiley and full of joy. They're not sad like the ones you just did.
Really?
Absolutely. Why are you so desperate to change your laugh? It's always been really funny.
It's funny! Funny! But you were making fun of me.
No, we weren't making fun of you. We were just giggling because your laugh is so amazing, surprising, and super funny. And only you can laugh like that. Your laughter makes us laugh, so it's awesome.
Keep your laugh, Toph. We love it.
I love it when you go. You sound like a very uptight pressure cooker. Oh!
But, isn't it uncomfortable when I make the crystal dazzle you?
Oh no, my dear. The crystal is like your laughter. Super bright.
That's a funny one.
Oh, stop it! Oh, you're cracking me up!
Wow! These crystals look so magical. And it was your laugh that lit them, Toph.
Oh, your laugh is so beautiful.
You know what, guys? Let's admire these crystals from up high, all together. Now that our group is complete again, we can go ahead and make that Tangram helicopter. Tangranimals, transformation, helicopter!
You need to keep your laughter forever.
Aw, thank you, my friends.
good idea of mine to organize a picnic all night?
Yeah, sure, if you like having a frozen belly.
Oh, hey! That's my Tangra friend over there. Hello! Big Lou! Chick Loomsta chick.
You can really see when Ula's happy.
Yes, you can hear it too.
Look at those two adorable little Tangra dinos! I so want to get to know them! But why are they leaving?
I think you might have given them a scare when you yelled, yoo-hoo.
Oh, really? I'll go and say sorry.
Ula, don't yell! What? You mustn't yell!
Then why are you yelling?
Oh, yeah, you're right. Come on, let's see what we can do to help Ula make friends with the little Tangra dinos. Maybe if we were to make a dinosaur Tangram? Whoa. Look out! Ah! Ah!
This doesn't seem like a fun game to me.
Prisoners!
This is all my fault.
It's not your fault. It's your voice's fault. What did you change it for? Your normal voice is perfectly friendly.
I just wanted to be friends with them.
So it's not actually your voice that's to blame. It's the excitement you felt that startled them.
No, there's no way I can move them. They're way too heavy.
There's a little hole between those two blocks. I could slip through it, then once I'm outside, I could peck the igloo apart with my beak.
I'm sure you could destroy the igloo by yourself, Kazu, but I think it'll be faster if you went and asked for help.
Oh no! I'm stuck, guys! I usually want to be bigger, but this time I'd rather be smaller. I'm so sorry, guys! It's all my fault. The little Tangra dinos are all scared of me and that we're all prisoners! Sorry! It's so sad! I don't like it when Ula's loud. In that case, I'll be quiet. I'll never say another word my whole life! At least there won't be any more disasters. Just from now on. Not a word! Not a peep! You won't hear from me anymore.
Sneaking in a dessert, are we?
I'm trying to break bits of ice off of it. Eating a popsicle in moments like these is very helpful. It makes life seem cool again. But I can't do it. It's too hard.
There must be some kind of tool we could use to help break the ice. Aha! I know! We'll make a pickaxe! It's a tough tool with a pointy end. People use it when they go rock climbing. We can use it to break open one of the big blocks of ice and get out of here. Tangranimals! Transformation! Pickaxe!
Go on, Geo. Hit it as hard as you can. We can take it.
Heave-ho!
Heave-ho! We're free!
Now we can enjoy our frozen picnic again.
You know, it's a real shame that you've stopped talking, Ula.
Hugh's right. I really like your voice too, Ula. It's just that, well, you don't always use it as well as you could.
But how can I make sure I don't upset anyone anymore with my voice?
Why don't you try being a little more quiet, like the way I'm talking right now? You hear that? Listen. Cool. Nice and chill. Now you try.
I don't know what to say.
Can't hear a thing. Can't hear a thing.
Try saying hello to me.
Yoo-hoo! Big whoop!
Hello, Kazoo! Oh.
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Big loon! Big loon! Not big loon!
Oh, there's my handsome Yoko! Yoo-hoo! Big loon! Oh, my Yoko! There's my sweet little Yoko. You know I love you.
This is amazing.
Well done! That was perfect! You see, you can do it!
Oh, look, little Tangra dinos.
Where?
Oh, it was a test. I almost had it. Oh.
You can be happy without shouting. It's not difficult. I do it all the time.
If you can be as calm as him, you'll have no trouble making friends with those dinosaurs.
Okay, I'll calm down. I'll take deep breaths. Take my time.
You can be happy without shouting. It's not difficult. Guess what I'm doing right now? I'm laughing like crazy. It's obvious.
In case you don't realize, I'm also doubled up laughing right now.
Are you ready to try and make friends with the Tangra dinos again, Ula?
Oh, yes. I would like that very much.
Good job.
How are we going to get close to those little scaredy cats?
Good idea, Yogo! The dinos live among fir trees, which means they won't be scared if we make a fir tree shake. It's down to you now, my friends. Operation Making Friends Again. Tangranimals, transformation, fir tree! Let's creep slowly over to the Tangra dinos.
Stop! Oh no, he's right there! What do I do?
Think of me, always happy yet calm.
Go on, do it, Ula. Talk to him.
Big boo. Yoo-hoo. Do you want to be friends? They don't look scared anymore.
They're gonna need to see you now, Ula. All right, Tangranimals, let's separate ever so gently.
Hello, Tangra dinos. My name is Ula. You're such sweeties. I'd like you to meet my new friends, the Tangra dinos.
Aww.
Now I've stopped yelling, we understand each other better. My little dinos, I'd like you to meet my friends. Big Lulu, Bow and Bow, Big Lulu, Russ, Big Lulu, Kazoo.
There we go. Thanks a lot. Ta-da!
Wow! It's so cool! Well done!
Oh, it looks to me like a very pretty cake.
Wonderful, Geo.
It's true.
Thanks a lot, guys. We've been building so many things, I'm actually starting to get the knack of this. The next one I make will be even bigger and taller.
Oh, yeah. You mean like those amazing constructions the Tangra dinos make?
Oh, amazing constructions made by the Tangra dinos? Really?
Yeah, they're really good at it, too.
You mean bigger and taller than Geo's tower? Impossible.
So what are we waiting for? Let's go and check it out!
Yay! Can you hear that? The wind wobbles up here. Hello, wind!
Oh, there! Check that out!
Oh, how cute's that? It looks just like a delicious fruit sorbet.
Yeah, it's very pretty, but I was expecting something a little less tiny.
No, guys, not that. That!
Huh?
Oh, wow, yes! That is the biggest sorbet I have ever seen in my life.
Yep, and there are lots more just like it.
Beautiful. So big. So big. What a pretty whistle. I love it.
Same here. Whenever I see a pretty construction, it makes me want to build. I want to make an even taller tower. But where could we do it? There! This will make a perfect base for my tower.
Oh, this is going to be tricky. No, Geo can do it. Go on, Geo. You're the best. Go, Geo. You can do it, guys. That's right, my friends.
That's it!
There you go.
Phew, we did it!
I don't think we're strong enough to lift up the other cubes to make your tower, Geo.
Yeah, of course we're not. We're not Tangra dinos.
You're right. But you could become one, though. You just need to transform into a Tangram dinosaur. Awesome! Tangranimals, transformation, dinosaur! Let's put the first one here. That's it. Then this one more to the right, a bit to the left, and down. Great. I think we should move this one over. Oh, that's nice. Great. Good. Whoa, whoa. It's windy.
Geo, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Let's keep going.
Very high! Very high!
Almost as high as a dino's tower.
Almost isn't good enough. Let's keep going.
We're being watched. We're being watched.
I bet those dinos think we're the best, don't you, Geo?
Then let's try not to disappoint them. Come on, let's put this last cube on top, standing upright.
Oh!
We've made the tower. Good job, my friends, and thank you.
Wow! Your tower's the biggest one of them all now.
I'm really happy, actually. actually.
It's just a pity your tower doesn't whistle like the dinos one.
It's not whistling, it's dancing.
It's not dancing, Russ. It's shaking. It's going to collapse. Run, everyone!
Now that's what you might call serious damage.
No! Now the dinos are stuck and it's all my fault. Oh no.
Don't be afraid, guys. Gio's really good at building. He'll find a solution for you in no time.
I wonder if we should do a bridge transformation.
Do you think we'll be strong enough to withstand the dino's weight, though? I like a challenge, but that seems maybe a little excessive.
Besides, we can't just stand around being a bridge till the end of time.
You are right, guys. We'll be better off building a bridge that will last. Why don't we try building a bridge with these same blocks we have right here? That's what I call a real construction challenge. Whoa! All right, back to the dino. Nope. There, we're all done.
What's wrong? It's an awesome bridge.
It's real solid. Not quite. It's still real shaky.
So, how do the dinos stop their constructions from collapsing with all this wind up here?
And how come they whistle so well?
Huh? Of course, Kazu! I get it! It's the wind that makes the constructions whistle when it blows through the gaps. And because it's able to pass through the structures, it doesn't push them as hard. That's why they don't fall over. I should have thought of that. We need to make some holes before the wind blows our bridge down. And I think I have just what we need. Yeah! Tangranimals, transformation, pickaxe!
It's whistling.
That should be enough.
Being a pickaxe blade really shakes you up.
He's praising you, Gio. He says your bridge is perfect for resisting the mountain winds.
Well, it's not the tallest or the biggest, but it is the strongest.
Hello, Tangra-dinos. I'm so sorry I broke your bridge earlier. Do you like the new one?
Not a problem. We really like your new bridge. Besides, accidents happen.
Thank you so much for taking it so well.
Our bridge is the best!